everyone, I'm Christian from Royal Enfield Bacoor. So we're here with the new Himalayan 450. So this one is actually a completely different bike compared to the previous model. So first of all, pinakabago sa kanya yung engine. Now it comes with 450cc. So before it was only 224 horsepower, now it's 40 horsepower. Even with the torque from 32, naging 40 na rin. And even with the transmission now, it comes with 6 gear. So 6 speed na siya. So tire size same lang, 21 pa rin yung likod, 17 likod, 21 harap. And now mas wider lang yung tire sa likod, from 120 naging 140 na siya. And isa pa sa maganda sa kanya, yung seat niya naman ngayon medyo tumaas nga lang compared before. It was only 800mm. Now it's adjustable. Actually for the low setting it's 825mm, and for the high setting it's 845mm. So another good thing dito sa new bike natin, it's ride by wire na, and it comes with 4 modes. So performance mode and eco mode, parehong ABS on, and then meron ding option na ABS off. So 4 na modes yun. And now it's TFT display. I'm not sure if kita sa FPS ng camera natin. Medyo mahirap lang siya makita dun sa lens. Pero ayan, so yan, meron ding mga appearance mode din. Ito yung tinatawag na analog. And then pwede mo siya iset na appearance kung gusto mo ng naka-digital. Ito yung digital, medyo mas less lang yung makikita mong info, like the RPM, wala nang numbers. However, if you will use the Google Maps na built-in dito sa TFT display natin, mas better to kasi nakikita mo yung buong mapa. Unlike the other mode, medyo ano lang siya, turn by turn lang makikita nyo. And dito naman sa harap, LED light na rin tayo. LED light for the headlight, high and low. Also for their signal lights, LED. And also yung rear tail lights natin comes with integrated tail lights. So siya na yung magsaserve as brake light. So brake light siya, and also siya na rin yung signal light. Ayan. So wala nung separate na brake light. So yun lang. So this one is actually the premium variant. Ang tawag dito is the Hanle Black. So actually comes with 3 variants. Meron tayong base, mid, and premium. So ito yung premium. And also the base starts at 339,000, and then for this variant it's 359.
359?
Yes.
Sir, baka pwede sound check.
Ano?
Sound check natin.
Sound check, okay. Kala ko ako kanta.
Sir, mamaya sir.
Okay. Kala ko sound check ng boses ko. Liquid cool na siya ngayon compared before na naka-oil cool. So ito yung first ever liquid cool ni Royal Enfield. So sa iba nag-worry na medyo bago to for Royal Enfield, baka hindi pa sanay yung brand namin when it comes to liquid cool na mga engine. Before naman din nilaunch for the consumers and produce for the consumers yung bike natin nito. Ilang years din siya pinag-aralan dun sa India, inakyat baba sa Himalayas to make sure na yung bike is roadworthy for the consumers. So, in terms of reliability, subok tayo dyan.
Sir, saan ba makakakuha nito?
Currently, there are 5 active dealers for Royal Enfield in the Philippines. So, sa Luzon, we have kami, Royal Enfield Bacoor, and also we have Royal Enfield Lipa. And then, meron naman tayong Royal Enfield Cebu, Iloilo, and Dumaguete. And then, marami pang mga parating pa na mag-open pa ng mga dealers nationwide. So, stay tuned. Thank you. kayo para sa
the MT-07.
Gets ko na.
It's good. It's really good off-road. Di ba? Pag off-road,
Saan?
yung flushness niya parang
Big adventure bike.
I think the throttle and engine brake off-road, hindi siya nag-brake ng traction eh. Tsaka ang dali slide ng rear.
Did you change the mode when you?
I changed the mode because as I was sliding the rear. If you want to wheelie it, you have to turn off the... Yes, so because it has a very soft first gear engine brake, when you switch off off-road, it doesn't feel scary that it's gonna like lose the front because of that. So it's really like, I get it now. I get it. Gets ko na kasi yung empty, the way it rides, it feels light, but the fueling and the engine braking is not as friendly off-road. So what did you off-road? Good thing off-road, diba? Like, okay, I get it now. Very well balanced. Nakakatawa lang kanina as I was coming out there. Diba it's inclined? So I put my feet down. Kasi, but this is on the higher setting. So I put my feet down, I was like, whoop! I have to do that not to fall down. Good it really comes into its own off-road. I get it now Let's go mo ngayon, hiramin mo yung 450 MT. Nico, pwede pa hiramin yung 450 MT. Pero nag-gets ko na siya, finally.
Siguro yung position. Tapos pagdating naman siya shoutout dahil mahihain ang aking sales na si Mitan. Siya mauna mag-shoutout.
Shoutout sa sa mga tropa ko dyan sa Batangas, saka sa mga riders ko dyan sa Manila. Hi fans! Good morning!
At sa wakas masasabi ko naman to once again, man, nasa TV na po ako. And shoutout din sa wife ko si Kat. I just got married 2 days ago. Maraming salamat.
Wow! Woohoo! Congratulations!
Thank you.
Bye-bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.